Garment factories are investing in AOI, or AI inspection machines. Professionals in inspecting fabrics are capable of detecting 70%. Besides an average inspection, manual inspection is tiresome, so factories decide to invest in AOI machines. Automatic optical inspection, or AOI, is a system that uses manually detected defects as a baseline for automatically finding other defects. The reason manufacturers use AOI inspection machines is because the detection and elimination of problem solving, the reduction of human error, the decrease of complaints, the increase of the return on investment, and the reduction of the cost of products. However, the downside of AOI fabric inspection machines is their low accuracy, which requires double checking by qualified employees despite their high detection rate. The idea of the AOI fabric inspection machine is to use predefined parameters as a reference point. On the contrary, artificial intelligence, or AI inspection machine, learns in depth and aggregates the results based on human judgment. The AI machines are equipped with powerful lights and high-resolution cameras to capture images of each product that is being processed. Also, it has a system in which the data can be managed remotely. The benefits of an AI inspection machine are increased automation, increased profits, reduced labor, reduced risk of human error, high inspection accuracy, increased return on investment, and reduced product recalls. OSHIMA EagleAI Artificial Intelligence Inspection Machine is perfect for all kinds of fabric. It also detects defects and color stains. EagleAI helps you save money. This breakthrough makes OSHIMA the best choice for fabric inspection.